Hello guys, in this vlog I want to share my journey to Masal, Gilan, very beautiful province in Iran. So let's go, and by the way, don't forget to subscribe.
2,000 years later.
Hello guys, in this vlog, as you see, there are many different places in Masal, Gilan. We went with a tour, Dalahu tour, and our tour guide was very good. Unfortunately, I forgot his surname. Hope that he will forgive me. We went to Masal. Masal is a very famous place. In some days, there are clouds near the earth, but unfortunately, my timing was bad, and so it wasn't cloudy at all. But general, it was very good, and we enjoyed a lot. We went and visited many places there, local places, but it was boiling hot. I mean, we had to drink lots and lots of water, and we had many sightseeing. I made friends, Sabihe and Parvane. Sabihe is a Kurdish, and Parvane is from Khuzestan in Iran. And I found many other good friends as well. We visited nature. There were many green spaces and picturesque and unforgettable views that I never forget. I am paternally from Gilan myself, and it was great. Thank you guys. Bye bye.